Hello motorized bicycle enthusiasts. This video is about the 12-inch long square taper sealed bearing bottom bracket axle. Okay, you can find square taper crank arms on discarded bikes on the side of the road, or we sell them. But you could use any type of square taper crank arms you want with whatever offset, if you need an offset for a 4-stroke motor. But this goes into the sealed bearings. And it can adjust from left to right. It's got snap rings to put it, it has 3 snap ring slots to adjust it from left to right. But you could Dremel your own snap ring slots. Also with this thing, okay, this is how it spins, and there's no play in here. The bearings are sealed, they're never coming out. But this is the slot for the pedal sprocket, for the chain ring pedal sprocket. That can be adjusted with the pedal sprocket holder that we have. That will be in the next video. But this is how this goes in here with snap rings. Okay, snap ring slots. But you can make your own snap ring slots. Alright, now that's in there. And then let's say you wanted to move it over. You would take that, make a mark with a Sharpie, and Dremel in your own snap ring slots. The axle is so thick and has such good contact with the sealed bearings that it wouldn't matter if you went over this slot with the bearings, So this axle is adjustable from side to side, pretty much unlimited. And also it's 3/4 thick steel, manufactured in the United States. And you could weld onto this. A lot of people have put a reduction drive on this side with 2 sprockets coming from the motor. You could weld the, you could, anything with 3/4 inner diameter bearing. And you can use locking collars that are 3/4 inner diameter to lock things on here. The possibilities are pretty much unlimited, because you can slide this from side to side and make some snap ring slots. Okay, this is MB Rebel, and thank you for watching.